Hello everyone, we are from JSPM Rajeshri Shahu College of Engineering Tathawade. We have made a project of adaptive load priority controller using PLC and SCADA, where we have divided the load based on the priorities like high priority, medium priority, low priority, and depending upon the condition like if there is overload or it is normal condition, and then depending upon that condition we are operating the loads. Like if there is normal condition, then all the loads will be on. If there is any fluctuation or overload occur, that time the low priority and medium priority load will get off sequentially. And we are making sure that the high priority load will be continuously on. And when there will be normal condition, there will be no any fluctuation, no any overload, that time all the loads will again get on.
So this is the ladder which we have developed for our project. First we will say the ladder. We have used timers, counters. We have used a timer to give the delay and counter to on to sequentially on and off the loads. So this is our ladder. We will see directly working of our ladder. Firstly, the start push button is active. That time the high priority, medium priority and low priority load, they all are on. That is, it is the condition where there is no any fluctuations. That is the normal condition. So when the overload sensor, it will get on, that time it will check if there is any fluctuations or not. For 5 seconds it will check the fluctuations, and after 5 seconds the low priority load will get off, and after further 5 seconds the medium priority load will get off. This all on and off is done by using the timer and the counter. And again when the condition gets back normal, that time the normal sensor will get active again and the loads will be on back. We have designed the same in SCADA. That is, it is the initial condition where all the loads are on. When the overload sensor will get on, that time the after 5 seconds low priority load will get off first, and after further 5 seconds the medium priority load will also get off. When the normal sensor will be active again, that time all the loads will be active back again. So this is our project of adaptive load priority controller.